Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to crack your own back. I'll be going over the steps to crack your upper back and your lower back. And it's a great way to sort of get some relief from back pain or pressure in your back. Now, I'll be outlining a few things that you can do. Let's get right into the video. First and foremost, I want to show you how to crack your lower back. Now, it's actually a fairly simple process. So what you want to do is you want to sit down on the ground. Some people like to sit on a mattress, or you can just sit on the hard floor, just like I'm doing right here. You want to start off by taking your right leg, lift it over your left leg across like that. Now what that does is that actually puts a little bit of torque on your lower back to twist this way. So by bringing my right leg over my left leg, so my right leg is over my left leg, my spinal cord, my lower back is sort of trying to twist towards my left. Now what I want to do to crack my lower back is I want to take my left arm and I'm going to bring it over my right leg. So as you can see, once again, right leg goes over left leg, left arm goes over right leg, right arm brings your body around like this, and you want to just sort of turn your body and, don't overdo. You want to get a little bit of pressure. Don't twist to the point where it's going to cause any pain, but just twist a bit and you might hear a few pops or cracks. You might start feeling some relief from your back pain. Let's see if I can get any. All right, so hopefully you heard that. I got one little one there and one bigger one just right there. And what you want to do next is you want to do the exact opposite. So go back to your resting position, straighten your body out, straighten your back out. Now take your left leg, bring it over your right leg just like that. Once again, that is sort of trying to twist the lower part of my back to my right. When my left leg goes over my right leg, it's trying to bring my lower back to my right. And instead what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my right elbow, bring it over my left leg like that. Left arm comes out, helps out to try and twist the other way. And you're sort of bringing your back in two directions. And that's how you get that cracking or that popping that you're looking for. Let's see if I can get some more on this side. Just listen closely. All right, so once again, I got two more on that side. Got a smaller one towards the upper part of the lower back and a bigger one, a deeper sounding one towards the lower part of the lower back. Now what you want to do in order to get just the lowest part of your back, not many people are able to get the lowest part of their back. Let's try and get more into the camera frame. Here we go. You want to sort of get in this sort of squatting position, okay? What you want to do is exhale, and as you exhale, you want to just sort of, bring your hands like this and sort of bring your shoulder down to sort of twist your back a little bit as you exhale. So just like this, I'm going to start off by twisting to my left as I exhale. Okay, and I didn't get anything there, but if there was something to get, I might have got it. And then we'll do the same thing twisting to my right. So I got a little one there. It's probably hard to hear, but I got a little one right there. So that's how you crack your lower back. Now for the upper back, there are actually two ways to do this. I'll show you both ways. They're both really effective. For the first way, what you want to do is you want to just lie down like this. So you're going to lie down on the ground, get your arms up just like that, bring them around to sort of grab on to the sides of your back like that. Get a little bit of pressure, so pull just a little bit. And what you want to do, I'm not going to do this because I don't personally use this method often. I use the other method that I'm going to show you, but it's still effective. What you want to do is sort of bring your body up and then let it fall like that. And make sure you don't hit your head against the ground. Keep your head up, but bring your body up and let it fall like that. If you do it a few times, if you have enough pressure and enough pulling power, just like that, you might get a few small cracks in your upper back. But the method that I find to be the most effective way is very simple. I'll show you what I'm going to do. I'm going to turn to the side like this. You want to essentially bend your body over, let your arms pull the top of your body away from the bottom of your body. So you're going to let your arms bring some weight like this. And what you want to do is simultaneously, you want to exhale, as much of the air as you can and pull your arms down like that. And if you can just get a little bit of a higher stance off the ground, but bring your feet closer together, it's better. I mean, you can go like this, but I would suggest doing something like this, just like that. So what you want to do is simultaneously, you want to exhale, and at the same time, bring your arms down to pull your upper back away, just like this, okay? And listen closely. You might be able to hear a few if there are any parts of my back that are left to be cracked. All right, so I don't know if you heard those, but I did get a few small cracks out of my back. It feels much better. Now, once again, I exhaled as much of the air as I could, and then I used my hands to sort of, I just was trying to pull my upper back away from my lower back. I mean, you're not actually pulling it, but the idea is that you really want to stretch that back, right? So just like this, once again. All right, now that feels really, really good, I must say. Now, it's a very simple process, and I've shown you a few ways that you can crack your upper back and your lower back. And this is a fantastic way to actually relieve back pain or fix back pain. If you feel pressure or pain in your back, then you can try to utilize these methods. Now, you have to obviously use your own judgment. You have to do these within your safe zone of comfort. You don't want to do anything that makes you feel pain or uncomfortable or anything like that. You know what your body's limits are, so you kind of have to follow those limits and stay within those limits. So I've shown you a few ways that you can just absolutely crack your upper back and your lower back by yourself. You don't need anything really to do these things. It's a very simple thing. And as a bonus tip, I'm going to show you, just because I have it really handy. I wasn't planning on including it in the video, but because I have it handy, if you have a sort of like a bouncy exercise ball like this, what you can do is you can actually sit on it, and this is really deflated. I mean, I should really inflate it more, but you can sit on it and just allow yourself to just stretch out as much as you can, like that. Literally stretch out as much as you can, and you might get a few more cracks from your back in an attempt to relieve the pain. But that's it. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. I think this ball's gonna just keep coming back into the camera frame right now. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. If you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.